Hey guys, this video is to show you how my butterfly locks was made. So I would have made it myself, but my problem is my study has been so taxing, taking a whole lot of my time. So I wanted to invest the time I will use to make my hair to study. So so I making my hair myself takes the whole day to make my hair, so I really not mentally ready to spend my whole day making my own hair. So I decided to visit one of the stylists in Poland, an African. So she was able to make it for me at affordable cost. So basically this locks, I told her to make it more distressed because I wanted it to look more distressed, unlike the soft locks. So maybe next time I will make the soft lock, but for now let me rock my distressed lock. And watch this video to the end so that you get to see how it looks like on me. So I'm gonna be stopping my voice note here. So this to talk about the quantity of hair I use, I'll show you the hair. I got it from AliExpress. So I got 5 packs, 4 brown and the gray white gold color. So I got 1. So the white gold wasn't enough. So my stylist was able to have some strands left from her previous client, so I think she added like 4 strands for me to complete the white gold. So basically the brown I have like 3 strands left, so I just say basically I used 5 of it, so she used 5 of it. So like I said, my own is very distressed. So my next butterfly locks is going to be less distressed. So let me try the less distressed butterfly lock. I hope I will love it. Yes guys, so please just watch till the end to see how it turns out.